will walk the deckers.
Very cool. We're in a state transit bus in the Brookvale Depot 50 years now.
If everyone would like to gather around, we're going to have some speeches. The Gurrigal, the ancestral spirits, the elders, past and present, and any Aboriginal people here today. We at Keolis-Downer Northern Beaches travel on traditional Aboriginal song lines. Military Road, Pittwater Road, are roads or song lines that Aboriginal people in this area have used for over 65,000 years. And that's our connection here at Keolis-Downer to the oldest living culture in the world. So I'd like to call up our deadly Managing Director, Mark Dunlop.
Country, I'd like to welcome the local community here today, our partners from the Sydney Bus Museum and Custom Denning with the electric bus that hopefully we'll have operating out up here soon. It's been a great morning celebrating all things buses. A big thank you to our community that have come along to visit us today. And depot staff that run a very complex operation to keep the buses on the road. On an average day, we're doing close to 3,900 individual trips a day that they're bringing together. We employ around 900 staff across the 3 depots, operating 420 plus buses as part of our fleet, and an average of 1.9 million trips per month. As you might know, and there's been a lot of press about it, we are experiencing a driver shortage as every industry, and I'd urge anyone that's here today, if you think you have what would make a good customer focused driver, to talk to any of our recruitment team. It is an exciting industry to be in. It is a family. There's great facilities, and it is a community that we operate in, and certainly on the northern beaches. We'll be leveraging on experience from our parent company Keolis that operates in 16 countries throughout the world. from hydrogen to zero emission battery buses, pantograph technology which we'll be implementing in here for fast charging because of the compactness of the depot that you would no doubt have seen, and it's a very restricted area of the expand. So there's exciting times ahead for our industry. It is really a change from diesel buses that have operated for 100 plus years, and that's probably a bit of a segue to the vintage buses that we have on display. And the great guys here on my right, the 6 buses here have all operated on the northern beaches. It's fantastic that they brought them along for what's been a brilliant day. There's a lot of collaboration between us and Historical Society, the articulator. So with that, I'd like to welcome Bob and Daniel from the Sydney Bus Museum to say a few words. And again, thank you everyone for being here today.
Just like to really thank KD firstly for helping us with the restoration project. It's something we started during COVID and worked on a lot of the bodywork ourselves in our Leichhardt facility, but we found it really difficult to find a cost-effective way to get it spray painted, and actually working with KD, that's been it's been a reality. See it here today, and we're really thankful of the generosity that KD has shown in doing that. So thanks to Mark, Ian, Aldo, and to Alan, but also particularly to Alan, just showing us some skills along the way. He's really been showing us how to do things and how to work with the painting and bodywork. So we'll carry that forward. So it's really appreciate KD for doing that for us, and really happy to be a part of the day today.
Good morning. Thank you everyone for attending a lovely day. We're just handing over a certificate of appreciation to Keolis-Downer for their participation and involvement in this project. It's certainly been valued by us, and we cannot thank you enough for your support. As Daniel said, the museum was struggling with funding for this project in terms of how we would do it. It was beyond our ability to spray paint it on site with our resources. And when we connected with Mark and his team, they gave us the opportunity to make it happen in a realistic way. And we certainly thank you for that. As well as that certificate, Mark, there's a book on the history of state transit, 90 years of history of government buses, which ran out of this depot. And there's a box of those for your staff. And we've also got some other books, which my assistants here will start handing out in just a moment. So there's some books for the general public as well to take away today about historical buses. The Sydney Bus Museum is located at Derbyshire Road in Leichhardt. We've been operating for 35 years now, originally at another site in Tempe, and reopened after relocation at Leichhardt in 2016. The museum continues to grow, and one of the keys to growing is to have community support and industry support. And in fact, our relationship with Keolis-Downer is a perfect example of industry support. And again, I'd like to thank Mark and all his team for supporting us on this very, very worthwhile project. And we're very proud to bring that here to you today to show you. As Mark said, we're in a very unique position to bring 6 genuine Brookvale buses back to their home depot and allow the community to enjoy history dating back to 1947. Thank you everyone, it's been a great day, the weather's been perfect, and from 1 o'clock we'll be running depot shuttle rides. So effectively what we're doing is the buses will depart from here and they will travel up to Vale Bus Depot. The buses will do a lap of the inside of Vale Depot, but they won't be stopping to pick up and set down. So again, thank you to Mark and all your team, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.